Big up Crosses TV.
Crisis TV, me and mad out them blood clot girl and me say,
No, me need you, girl. Do this some blood clot beat me, a crazy girl. What? What? Over here, where you there? Where you there? Come do this beat me.
Murder! But up on the bus, spice, you can't do me so. Wait till I get off the bus, you can't do me so.
Come do this and beat me. Blood clot light, I'm carry it now light. Come show your pussy crutches, candy where you have on now. And beat me. Come. I got some of there. You know, see who the man? Yeah.
Hold up.
Yeah.
Get a control of the live.
Come to
Me
this
control the life after the dirty panty that they on my life. A clean panty that on my life. Me have blood clot. A clean panty that on my life. Me not control, not wet.
Spice. Stop. Alright, Spice.
What we say? No dirty panty.
When them in the fire, you did tell them done?
So me hang them up.
You hang them. Oh.
Let me know.
Cause.
I'm the man.
Sexy Judah to the world, always festive. When a member good now.
Them a cousin. When I girl can come
people share the life, share it, church, right? So I want to pick up a 51.
When a girl can come on Instagram, come show her panty crutches, she can do this and beat me. Do this and beat me.
Oh, fire people.
Yeah. You can't do this and beat me. Go suck out blood Qatari pussy. Where you shove up your foot in her.
Hey, T-Real, mama, lick your story.
Do that and beat me. I'm a done talk.
I don't know.
I'm just saying why I love Spice, yeah? Oh, to the world.
Talk.
Why? Let me know.
To the world.
Me. Okay.
Hungry.
Why?
Hungry. Oh, she don't.
Hungry.
People call me on black car. Me on black car. Robin's upgrade to us. Where the blood clotted.
No, what's pinky? I can't do a pinky.
My aunt black car pinky. She need for come to show your dry scratches. And that's what me did this morning. Period.
I can't do a pinky today, you know.
Period.
Can't stand that word.
Period. Come,
right,
girl.
Come, Candy. Good girl.
Come, girl. Come, show me, girl. Come, blood clot, show me, girl. The body part and the front part and the blood clot side part. Come, show me, blood clot me your panty crutches. Anytime, Candy, you can do this and beat me. Then we'll talk.
Yours, the Candy.
Anytime you do that and beat me, then we can be friends.
It's a challenge they fear.
Period. Crazy. You're crazy. Remember me sleep and wake. I sleep and wake draws this. You say roll up on me. I told me roll it down for show you the blood clad crutches.
Somebody had pussy me.
What you
Come
said,
blood clad, do this. Come do this. Come do this and beat me, Candy. Where should they know me? And black car, where should they know?
And where should they? You come in, come out, where should they?
Yes, I'm them. See them here, come
in the life,
and them a blood clot go through life. Come show your panty crotchet, Candy. Come show it and beat me. Come and run up blood clot. You up with your big pussy blood clot, big body hole, girl.
Right.
Your blood clot body hole with the dildo. And you have to fuck off it blood clot, shit mouth Qatari, and shit mouth blood clot Candy. Candy, come take off your dress for Instagram and beat me.
What is going on?
That is it.
This going
You can't do that.
This gone way out of hand.
Beat me
This
candy.
way out
Nasty
of hand.
blood clot. Rock the belly blood clot. Sour candy. Fly, friend. We want some fly, pussy candy.
Candy, we're not cut my act round here. We want you to cut your jaws.
Candy, remember China the blood clot, nigga, the
Cut
sea,
your jaws, I like.
you know.
Oh.
Candy, remember China the middle of the sea, you're gonna find Qatari.
How this?
Remember, say power leaf, you're gonna find Qatari and you kiss it and turn her into a blood clot sodomite.
You know, say you know, mama. You know, say you know, mama.
Wanna come?
Pinky, press the X quickly. Press the X. Press the X.
Come,
God,
show me an overnight panty seat.
I'm no say mama. No say mama.
Come, blood clot, show me a panty crutches candy.
Sorry, people. I was busy sharing the live. I'm gonna share it. So.
Candy, when you can't do this, but come off for the gram. Fully.
Bully.
The one on there for the gram, so what candy? Come show me a panty seat where you have on. No!
Oh, Sarah, sit down there quiet. She's sitting on the line quiet. What are you saying?
She deaf?
Yeah. She said, Ira, what you saying?
You fucking blood clot, deaf? You deaf?
But just add you. You might even come with the next page. You come like you don't like that page. Just add your babes. Look, it says you're here.
Big prayer morning.
Yeah, Candy, competition for you.
You have blood clot. Candy, sit up by your life and I pass up the place with our pussy. Candy, your pussy.
Come with the next page.
Candy, your blood clot pussy.
Momo.
Pussy. Your pussy, Candy. Candy, come show me your panty crutches.
Where is the
practice me I got this morning. Panty crutches me I got this morning. Come
No, you see, it's not allowing me to add you from the comments, Momo. I'll go live with Momo. Yeah, there we go.
Come show me. Good body, liar, under you yuck. Under you yuck. And your panty feet yuck. And your panty. What is it?
But up on the toilet, you can't do them something, them mama spice. Cut it off.
Right now, the rubbing's gone up to a different level.
Spice, but up on the toilet, stop.
That means that can't laugh at
Mama
the shit. Come down and come.
Mama spice. Finish cash up now.
Mama spice, don't clean panties sadness to Tuesdays to pussy clot. Tell them a clean panty sadness. Good crutches.
Yeah, mama. Yeah, mama.
Don't let them go some of my spice. What's up?
This little shit in front of me, I swear to God!
Yeah, smell it.
Keep knocking me.
Morning. I got me depan overnight blood clot draws me depan.
It's interrupting what now? I'm trying to find the one beat up phone. If you ever see the phone, my son chocolate class it.
Sunflowers, come show your panty crutches.
You send him to a shop with my phone and my phone says, well,
everybody come show Momo just show fear when I red draws Momo have an Momo panty crutches blood clot dry.
Well, remember a year's gone by, the boy them still got my phone, you know. Don't forget. Don't have to work with the phone we can work with.
When rain fall under your rainfall candy, we make under unumus blood clot a leaky. Come show you. Cause if you never sit down for say your pussy a leak and the whole of Qatari face wet up. A panty crutches, man, no blood clutch, me game you crazy. Which part?
Because I took in Jamaican, I'm half Jamaican and half Nigerian. I'll be up every Ross Cloud 1 minute. on 2 man, you know. 2 man on the bus. Grown ass blood clot man. And everybody sits on the bus and witnesses this shit. But they don't understand. I can handle my shit. I was waiting for them to get off at Brixton. I wanted them to get off at Brixton. Anyhow, those motherfuckers got off at Brixton. It was all over. All over.
See, Candy now got face Judah. Candy know she cannot face
Candy can't
Judah.
face me, and I just taken on 2 man on a bus.
Candy know she cannot face Judah.
Candy can't come for me.
Candy can't face Judah.
You know that already. Well, I just want to see why they
No, the school. You know, hear what went on? The school kids then went down the stairs, making them know. You know, to make noise. Them school kids. They know. Watch him over there. Alright, come like they were doing. You darling. Him. Got nothing to do with him. And I said, shut up, bruv. After nobody's talking to you, mind your business, innit? Oh, you told me to tell him to shut up. Right him. But he started it after nobody's talking to you. So wherever, your mother never tell you that I'm not good for bumper class, and I said that time. Yeah, he thought he could have got away with it because I got him bumper class here, they say Muslim man there. You think I got time for that? Don't shake it, I wanna die trying. Don't run
like a your black.
Die fucking trying. And one of them are gonna raise their hand.
Who that now?
I'm on the bus, it's on camera.
Who is that now?
Fuck that shit. Reporting to them for what? That's the reason why they thought that they could do what they're doing as black men. Because they're not doing nothing about it. Is that acceptable?
Yeah. Who that know?
I know it's not acceptable. That's AMO. I feel the weight of my bag. Why you think I pick up my bag and make it to do what? I'll done out your bumper claw on this bus. I will get charged for murder. My head's chip. They don't know that my head chip.
Hey, Judah.
Yo, Mosley didn't want me, fam. I tried to admit my blood clot self. Don't tell me to my fucking head chip. The only difference is I don't fucking smoke coke.
Judah.
I chew a man them, that's why you come out strong. I chew a man them and you have to come strong.
I'm out so strong. Yeah.
If it was a woman, you'd have left that long time, but it's a man, you can't stop up for man.
Who's I know who I am? I told one to shut up and I fling the fucking juice on the next one and nobody still can't touch me. I'm stuck on a mama.
Yeah, don't know.
All the yes of them should have reached. And yes of the argument should have reached. Then when I get bust up, I'm glad I knew what. I did. Of course I did.
What I want to say, you're saying it. Yeah.
Of course I did. I held my own back. And the two of them don't know each other from nowhere, you know.
Stevie, some girls can't do this.
Oh, what's up?
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, you're dissing one of these sisters.
Don't watch that.
You want one? You have there's more. Friend. You want one?
No, I'm not. All they have to do is what comes out after.
Why do you crazy Stevie?
Yeah.
Yeah.